In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main language on your Wix website. This is a useful feature, especially if you're targeting a diverse audience or planning on expanding your reach beyond your current language settings. First, let's begin with logging into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as the central hub for navigating all the features and settings of your Wix dashboard. From here, we want to locate and click on the Apps section. After selecting Apps, you will then need to click on App Market. The App Market is where you'll find various applications that can enhance your website's functionality. Next, head over to the search bar in the App Market and type in Wix Multilingual. As you type, suggestions will pop up. Select the first result that appears. It's important to ensure you're choosing the official Wix Multilingual app for the smoothest integration. Go ahead and add this app to your site. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've already added the application to save us some time. Now let's return to the home page, or as some might call it, the dashboard. From here, navigate to Website Content, which you can find towards the lower section of the sidebar. You'll see two options available, and we're interested in clicking on Multilingual. This section is where you'll be able to manage the languages on your site. Depending on your site's current settings, you might be prompted to set a default language first. Choose your preferred default language based on your needs. To add a new language, simply click on Add a Language. This will present you with a drop-down menu listing all the available languages. You can either scroll through the list or type in the language you wish to add in the search box for convenience. Once you find your desired language, select it, and it will be added to your site's language options. Remember, you can add multiple languages if you're aiming for a multilingual website. Additionally, you have an option regarding the visibility of the new language. You can choose to make the language hidden for the time being or make it visible right away, depending on your readiness to go multilingual. After making your choice, click Add Language. At this point, you should see 3 horizontal dots next to the newly added language. If you want to change the main language, click on these dots and select Regional Format. From there, you will be able to choose the region-specific format that best suits your audience. And that's the entire process. Feel free to experiment with different settings until your website's language configuration is perfect for your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.